Animals from Cnidaria are Hydra, sea anemone, Metridium, sea flower, Tialia. This is jellyfish. Its scientific name is Aurelia. Hello student. Today's topic is phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria is also known as phylum Coelenterata. Cnidaria, this word is from Greek word nidos, means stinging nettles. Means Cnidaria means animal having stinging apparatus. Or Coelenterata means it is also a combination of Greek word. Here gr means Greek, so it is combination of Greek word kylos means cavity and enterons means intestine. Intestine means it is related to the digestive system, so this cavity is also known as digestive cavity. Okay, Coelenterate, meaning of the word is animal having distinct digestive cavity, which is absent in our previous phylum Porifera. Here one more difference between Coelenterate and previous phylum Porifera is coelenterates are tissue animal, means tissue are developed in coelenterate, while tissue are absent in Porifera. Characteristic of Cnidaria: first, they are aquatic animal. They are found in water. Mostly they are marine, means they are found in sea water, and few species are found in fresh water. Okay, means river, dam, etc. in freshwater form. They are sessile or free swimming animals. Sessile means free swimming animal. In Porifera we have studied they are sedentary. Porifera are sedentary, but here they are sessile. They have radial symmetry. They are diploblastic animal. Outer layer is ectoderm is known as epidermis, and endodermis is known as gastrodermis. Okay, epidermis and gastrodermis. They have blind sac body plan, means they have only one opening, the mouth, which is known as hypostome. Example is Hydra. Here if we take a section in longitudinal section, here we can see that it has a opening called mouth, but it does not have another opening. Okay, means its body has only single opening, that is mouth. So it is this type of body plan is known as blind sac body plan. As we know, the sac has only one opening at its upper side. Okay, same it is a sac like structure, so body plan is blind sac body plan. Mouth is used for ingestion and ejection. Okay, mouth is used for, it is the entry point of the food and exit point of the waste material. Okay, single opening. They are acoelomate, that is they do not have coelom. Coelom is absent, so these are acoelomate. They have body cavity for digestion as well as circulation. Their body cavity is used for digestion as well as for circulation of gases. So this cavity is known as gastrovascular cavity. Gastro, it is related to the digestive system, and vascular system is our circulatory system. So it is common for both of the system, digestion and circulation. So it is also known as gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. They have tentacles with nidoblast or stinging cell. And this is the diagram of Hydra and the arms of Hydra. These are the arms of Hydra. These arms are known as tentacles, and these tentacles are equipped with nidoblast cells, which has stinging apparatus. Nidoblast cells are useful for encourage offense and defense. Okay, they show asexual as well as sexual type of reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by budding and regeneration, while sexual reproduction takes place by gamete formation. Cnidarian exhibit two basic body forms. One is polyp and another is medusa. To study this form, this is the diagram. This is the picture of Obelina. In this picture, the same organism is seen. This is the Obelina, where we can see the polyps and medusa form. In this diagram, we can see that this is a polyp. This is cylindrical form. Polyps are cylindrical, while in this structure, this is the magnifying image. This circular form is known as medusa. Okay, polyps are cylindrical, while medusa are umbrella shaped or circular forms. Here, these are the polyp, and this is a medusa. Polyps is sessile and cylindrical form like hydra, while medusa is umbrella shaped form and it is free swimming. Okay, like Aurelia or jellyfish. Jellyfish is umbrella shaped, while hydra is cylindrical shaped. So this alteration of generation means polyps produces medusa asexually. Polyps produce medusa asexually, while medusa produce polyps by sexual reproduction. And this alteration of generation, these two forms are observed alternately in the life cycle of Obelina, and this process is known as metagenesis. Digestion is extracellular as well as intracellular. Extracellular digestion means which occur, extra means outside the cell, extra outside the cell, and intracellular means inside the cell. Digestion which occurs outside the cell is known as extracellular, while digestion occurs inside the cell is known as intracellular digestion.